Hello, this is an automation app what I had created for creating missile simulation in SDK. So I have set up this scenario which is actually at one of the borders, and here on the left hand side it's all threats. I have modeled various threats, and on the right hand side you can see a rotating surveillance radar, and then there is a tracking station out here, and then there is a missile launcher. So this is the first line of control. So whenever there is a threat, and once one of these radars detect a threat, a tracking radar, fire control radar will get activated from here, and then a missile will be launched. So the missile will be launched based on which surveillance radar has detected the threat. So that means if this radar has detected, it would be launched from here. If this radar has detected, it would be launched from here. And also the tracker radars will get activated based on which radar has picked up the threats. So here is a very quick application which does which automate the same. So you can run by clicking on the start button, and once you click connect, it basically connects to SDK, and here you can define like threshold PDET from the surveillance radar. So this is the surveillance radar. So if it detects any threat above that PDET, a tracker will get activated. So if I click on activate tracker, so it is doing all the times, it is taking all the times, it is finding out which radar has detected it, and based on that, so you can see that this was detected by this surveillance radar, a tracker got activated. So I'll just fast it forward. This is detected by this one, this is detected by this one. So like that several tracking radars will get activated. And now currently I haven't activated any missiles. So you can put the missile maximum velocity, missile time step, and once you click on activate missile, so it basically starts firing a missile, and you can see it over here. A missile track is getting generated. So you can see that it's just so like way based on which tracker has detected it, it keeps on generating the missile tracks. So it takes a few minutes. It is using pursuit guidance algorithm. So you can see that there is a small curve for the missile. So it generated the path for this, and then it is generating for another path. So likewise it automatically creates for all these threads based on from which location it is firing. I'll just stop it for the time being just to save time. I just stopped it. So I'll show you what was created. So here, so you can see this green track. So this track is not yet created. I think this green track was created for one of the last ones, which is this bomber. So the bomber is in its path, and you can see that, see, the bomber got detected. If I play a little bit backwards, so this bomber got detected by this surveillance radar, and immediately a missile gets activated, and this missile is actually flying towards that bomber. So this is the track which is created by the algorithm. I can zoom on to that missile bomber. So this is sorry, I haven't put an it should be a missile. So I have to change the 3D model. So you can see that it basically takes this track and it flies towards that bomber aircraft. You can see that it flies towards it. So actually, because I interrupted the simulation in between, it would have created for almost every other threat. So I have saved a scenario which is the results. So I'll just open this and show you how it would have created for everything. So this is the completed scenario, and these were all the missiles what was created by that application. So I'll just switch it on so that it's visible. And now you will be able to see during the simulation so you can see the first one gets detected and this missile is flying towards it. This was the track which was created first. So there is this missile flying towards F-16-1. So nothing else is detected. Now this is detected, another missile fires towards it. This is detected, another missile. So you can see that it's a complete simulation. So it is definitely not a straight line. You can see that it takes a curved path as well. So the simulation it's the missile guidance algorithm is pursuit guidance algorithm. So I'll just show you the missile. So this is the missile which is in motion towards the cruise missile subsonic. So you can see that it slowly start taking the curve.